From the first spark of a digital thought to the dawn of a new era, we are on the brink of the greatest revolution in human history. This is the story of artificial intelligence, a force poised to redefine our world, our reality, and ourselves. Forget everything you think you know. The journey into the machine mind begins now. It all started not with silicon and steel, but with a dream of creating a mind in our own image. Back in the 1950s, pioneers like Alan Turing planted the first seeds. They asked a simple yet profound question: can machines think? Early computers, room-sized behemoths of vacuum tubes and wires, were the first canvases. These weren't just calculators. They were the crucibles where the first algorithms of intelligence were forged. We saw breakthroughs like the logic theorist, the first program designed to mimic the problem-solving skills of a human. Then came the Dartmouth workshop in 1956, the very event that coined the term artificial intelligence. It was a gathering of visionaries who believed that every aspect of learning, or any other feature of intelligence could, in principle, be so precisely described that a machine could be made to simulate it. But the path wasn't a straight line. The initial optimism gave way to what we now call the AI winter. Progress slowed, funding dried up, and the grand promises seemed like distant science fiction. The complexity of creating true intelligence was far greater than anyone had imagined. Yet, even in the coldest winters, seeds of the future were germinating. Researchers quietly pushed the boundaries, developing new theories and techniques. They built expert systems, programs that could mimic the decision-making ability of a human expert in a narrow domain, like diagnosing medical conditions or identifying chemical compounds. It was a crucial step, proving that machines could handle complex, knowledge-based tasks. Then, the Silicon Revolution happened. Moore's law kicked in, and computing power began to double at an astonishing rate. Suddenly, the hardware needed to run more complex AI models became not just possible, but accessible. This convergence of powerful hardware and decades of theoretical work set the stage for a renaissance. The AI winter began to thaw, and a new spring of innovation was on the horizon. The 90s saw a major turning point when IBM's Deep Blue defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov. It was a symbolic moment. A machine had bested a human grandmaster in a game long considered the pinnacle of intellect. The world took notice. I was no longer just a laboratory curiosity. It was a force to be reckoned with. This victory marked the beginning of the AI revolution we are living in today. The last 2 decades have been a whirlwind of progress, driven by 3 key factors: massive datasets, powerful computing, and groundbreaking algorithms, particularly in the field of machine learning and deep learning. Think about it. Every time you use a search engine, get a recommendation on a streaming service, or use your phone's voice assistant, you're interacting with sophisticated AI. It's woven into the fabric of our digital lives. Machine learning is the engine driving this revolution. Instead of being explicitly programmed, systems now learn from data. They find patterns, make predictions, and improve over time. We see this in action everywhere. In medicine, AI is analyzing medical images to detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy than ever before. In finance, it's detecting fraudulent transactions in milliseconds. In transportation, It's the brain behind the self-driving cars that are starting to navigate our city streets. Robotics is another area undergoing a massive transformation. We've moved beyond simple factory arms performing repetitive tasks. Today's robots, powered by AI, can see, learn, and adapt to their environment. They are exploring other planets, assisting in complex surgeries, and even providing companionship. And then there's generative AI, the creative force that has captured the world's imagination. Models like GPT and DALL-E can write essays, compose music, and create stunning works of art from a simple text prompt. They are challenging our notions of creativity and what it means to be an author or an artist. This isn't just about mimicking human output. It's about generating novel ideas and content, augmenting human creativity in ways we are only just beginning to understand. The data visualizations you see, the complex models of our climate, the intricate simulations of our economy all are powered by AI, allowing us to comprehend a world of overwhelming complexity. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. It's making our lives more efficient, our work more productive, and our world more connected. So, where do we go from here? If the present is revolutionary, the future is exponential. We are standing on the precipice of a world where AI is not just a tool, but a partner, a collaborator, and perhaps something more. Imagine a future with artificial general intelligence, or AGI, an AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to solve any problem, much like a human being. This isn't about just being good at one task, like chess or image recognition. It's about possessing a broad, adaptable, and generalized intelligence. What would a world with AGI look like? Healthcare could be revolutionized, with personalized treatments designed for your unique genetic makeup, effectively eradicating diseases. Scientific discovery could accelerate at an unimaginable pace, with AI solving the mysteries of the universe. From quantum physics to the nature of consciousness itself, our cities could become seamless, sustainable ecosystems, with AI managing energy, traffic, and resources with perfect efficiency. But this incredible potential comes with profound ethical questions we must confront. As we build these powerful minds, what are our responsibilities? How do we ensure they are aligned with human values? The questions of bias in AI algorithms are already critical. If an AI is trained on biased data, it will produce biased outcomes, reinforcing societal inequalities. We must ensure fairness and transparency are built into the very core of these systems. Then there's the question of control. How do we ensure that an intelligence far surpassing our own remains beneficial to humanity? These aren't just technical problems. They are philosophical ones that go to the heart of who we are and what we want to become. The future of AI is a landscape of shimmering cities and advanced robotics, but it's also a space for deep reflection. It is a future we must design with intention, with wisdom, and with a profound sense of responsibility for the generations to come. From the first theoretical spark to a global, interconnected intelligence, we have charted the incredible journey of AI. We've seen its birth in the minds of visionaries, weathered its winters of doubt, and witnessed its revolutionary impact on our present day. Now, we stand at a crossroads. looking toward a future brimming with godlike potential and complex challenges. AI is more than just code and data. It is a mirror reflecting our own intelligence, our ambitions, and our values. The story of AI is not just the story of a technology. It is the next chapter in the story of humanity. The future is not yet written, and the role we choose to play in it will define everything. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you found this exploration of AI fascinating, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into the technologies shaping our future. What are your thoughts on the future of AI? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.